What is up? Anyways, just introducing a vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today is Sunday. We're going on a little Sunday drive. Probably stop at the bar. I don't know. Get something to drink. Probably go to the beach as well and just chill. We had a lot of rain lately, so we couldn't play outside. So
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So come now, let's bottom line. Since I love you, please you anywhere I can. Share my world, don't you understand?
y'all, I'm rocking a ponytail today, y'all. The seagulls was out looking for food. The next time we come on the beach, I'm gonna bring some old bread or whatever like that. We'll just buy a loaf of bread and give it to them. So that'd be like a little nice thing to do. Right, Bree? You get the birds bread. We don't want to touch Bree legs. Bree legs. Bree don't want to touch the sun. Bree acting like she riding a freaking whole ninja. Legs up. So me and Bree sitting on the sun. Bree don't want to be on the sun. Bree don't like the sun. She clenched on me so freaking tight. It's okay, bananas. Yeah, she don't want to be on the sun job.
Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. So come now, do let's bottom line. Since I love you, please you anywhere I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Our love is no one in a million. It goes on and on.
Ooh, child. Hey y'all, so anyway, so we're back home. The beach was lovely. It was good. Like most of the times, I don't really know where I end my vlogs or how I start them sometimes. Like I've been doing YouTube for a very long time, but this is not my first channel. Like I've been doing YouTube probably for over 10 years. Sometimes I just pick up the camera and start talking, then I leave it for a few days or a week or even 2 weeks. I don't know, like sometimes it just be hard to be consistent with something that is not progressing. Like you might have a love for it, that's why you keep on doing it. But like I remember like one time ago, like I was consistent for a whole 2 years straight. I was just posting on my regular schedule program. And then after the 2 years I just started to slow down. Sometimes I will post once a week, once every 2 weeks. It's not to say that I don't love it or nothing like that. I love it. That's why I continue to do it. I hate to be not consistent, because if I go to a channel that I see that I really like and they only post like once a week or once every month, I'm not gonna subscribe. I'm gonna be honest. As much as I like your content, I watch your videos, I'm not gonna stay if I see you uploading like not consistent, because I like you. You're just gonna make me mad if I don't see you like at least twice a week, you know. Yeah, but anything in life like where you're not growing and things is not happening, like you're gonna get discouraged like over a period of time. It's I don't know, it's like whatever now. It's like it is what it is. But I still want to try to be consistent. I'm not gonna lie. Because probably there's one or two people who like my content and like to watch. I don't know where I was going with this rant. Anyways, I'm going, guys. I'm going to see you guys in the morning. I'm going to take a shower. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning. Good morning, you guys. So I'm up. It's like after 7. I've been up from probably like 4 o'clock. It irritates me when I can't sleep, okay? So why not do something productive? Productive? Because, God, I cannot sleep. And it's annoying when you keep on tossing and turning, tossing and fucking turning. Anyways, I have to go to the bank this morning because I have a payment, a bill that and I probably need to go to the shipping company because they need to send my freaking package. Like, they're taking too long. I need to go down there and ask them why the hell they taking so freaking long with my package, and my phone is freaking out, child. I don't know what in the world is going on. I'm just gonna make me some tea. I'm not gonna drink coffee yet. Probably take my coffee on the road with me while I'm going to the bank or something like that. I don't know. Good morning, you guys. So I'm about to clean up. Need to get a little early start because I just want to relax today. I don't want to do nothing. I have to finish twist up Rihanna hair. I put her hair in some twist. I washed her hair yesterday. I'm going to change the shampoo, the grease, everything I use. Y'all know that I just bought a shampoo for her, and yeah, I don't like it. It's not working. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to change the shampoo, and I already got the new shampoo, but I'm going to tell you guys about it later. Probably in some other vlogs. I just want to make sure this product is doing good before I speak on it. Because sometimes things be working good for the first time, or I don't know. Really Snapchat, people be coming through. Like, it's being annoying. What else? Yeah, I need to make Rihanna bottle. Wash up the dishes, then make my coffee. Then season some chicken for later on for dinner. Okay, now that the dishes is done, just gonna go change Brianna real quick. Y'all, we on a roll a day. I don't know. It smells like she pooped. You stinky? Yeah. 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 Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna start a new vlog. I think I'm gonna post this vlog today or tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get my content out. I'm trying to be a little more consistent. So I'm just gonna end this here and just start a new one. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.